already have a phone.
Your SIM in it.
Oya, imana iri muri iyo telefone ntabwo ari iyo telefone. Mano nakugeneye anniversaire.
Brother!
Muvandi bimeze bite kumbe wa murara wiwe?
Ahmed?
Ahmed.
There.
Brother, see where I am?
Kora ndiye mwana, ndi kwa muganga ibintu bimeze neza bagiye kumvura mwana.
I mean on Natalie.
Kuri facture ya Natalie. Mama we yagiye kumuvuriza inshuti.
I'll get better now, brother.
Of course you will, my lion.
Bro, look who's here.
Reba ndi ngo ninduri hano mwana.
Come on, how do you like the surprise?
Alice, wait for me there. I'll be right there, okay?
Okay?
No, don't come. We'll leave soon anyways. They don't accept visitors here. Hospital rules. Yaman, we'll hang up now. My battery's low.
Yaza kura. Nta ni police papa yaguteguri. Sorry, mwana. Uzanyana imbere ya muzehe. Umuzehe nawe amuha impano. Muzehe amuzanye hano mu cyumba cye. Icyumba cy'umusore. Vuyemo akiri umwana n'udufoto turacyamanitsemo. Bamuteguriye icyumba cyiwe. Bashyizemo hano ifoto ya ekipe nimba ari iyi ekipe. Anaraire. Anaraire hakuno. Gikona cyangwa ukunda.
I saw you.
Mu gihe cy'imvura nakubonye. Wambaye jezi imeze kuriya.
I was smitten. I was in love so fast.
Hakuno.
Meaning of life was
zatangira kumubwira siroga iyi ekipe.
the line that
Yamukandagira mu kibuga kikarasa imitutu.
eventually
Akintu ukora. Ali.
Ali!
Muzehe sogokuru.
Grandpa?
Yes.
Sogokuru. Yego.
It's your brother. Call him here now.
Muvandimwe wawe arihe muhamagara ze hano.
Just call him. Ali!
Uramushaki muhamagare. Ali. Hamagara umuhungu.
Come here, son.
Ngwino hano mwana wanje, ngwino hano.
Come.
Ngwino hano, ngwino hano.
Tell me right now.
Mbwira.
A driving license?
Ugira perimi? Ah, pi.
That thing quickly.
Ibyo nabyo tuzabikemura